I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm gonna eat a lotta. Let's clear out this cache here. That's why it looks away. But I'm trying to plan out my paths, which is why we've got the lines trailing me. And I'm gonna call this Tutorial Cave. Just finished up with Tutorial Cave. Sumo! Yeah. Yeah. It worked. I want to make it clear right here, right now. I am against ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody, okay? So there can be no confusion here. I do not recommend taking your dick, ripping it off, and tossing it in the direction of anyone, all right? Good. See the walk loop, make sure, taking a step, ooh, watch me strut, ooh, here I'm a bear, ooh, got a big butt, ooh, my name's Sooty, ooh. Time for me to get some sleep. I think that's whoa. Flashlights on. Stun. I am going to level with you here. Ears are filling up with sweat right now. Oh, wait a tick. Jesus. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. So I'm doing all the doing all this for just to try and get video into Godot. Oh, wait a tick. That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links for everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? And then this is what I love about StreamerBot. The mailroom. Coming soon to a nightmare near you. Is when I want to make shorts. If I wanna try and, you know, create content from content, the way that the resolution looks when I try to make a short is absolutely horrendous. If I do this, why so tiny? Ooh, breaking the pot. Golden skeleton, he must have taken a golden shower. So, yeah. I need a magnet or a suck shrine. The pendulum, like this, it goes bam, 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 bam. Just like that. I was playing with myself with my big horn on stream, and nobody wanted to watch me play with myself with my big horn on stream. Can't imagine why. Uh-oh. Oh.
Here also, y'all, is a nice little look at the ant head, and that yellow
Got it. I'm having a hard time under. Well, hello. Who do we got? Got a Captain of the Crabs, and we got Orblish. Captain Crabs, thanks for claiming first. Orblish, gotta be quicker. But welcome in. So fast. Oh. Running some E2E tests right now, getting Playwright, running some tests. Some things are breaking. I did some refactoring. Oh, nice. Nice. How is Fighterd coming along? Oh, that's right. You got a conference coming up, right? Am I remembering right, or was that last weekend? Nice. Nice. I hope it goes well for you. Get them sales. Oh. Yeah, that game. Definitely check it. Play the demo. Leave a review. It's great. Yeah, it's a piece of shit. Hope nobody's epileptic on watching right now with all these. Oh, nice. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. Doris. I don't know if in the free tier. Come on. If in the free tier. Hold on. Now this is just getting ridiculous. Let's see. There's link shortening. Hold on. I don't think I have anything on here that's going to be. Ooh, January. I had a lot of people looking then. Features. Come on. I thought that they put a QR code on here. Ad block. Multi-link. No, they're. Analytics. No. Maybe I'm wrong because I. Oh, wait. No, there is. Yeah, if you create a short link here, then you can get a QR code. Zoro, what's up? How's it going? That's what I was trying to get to. But I don't know if that's part of the free tier or not. Okay, went from 31 to 30. No, this is going to be a while as it runs it through. Oh, yeah, I want to. Oh, yeah. Okay, it shouldn't be running every single test. That's going to take forever. That looks like it's running every single test. Nah. Now it's just kind of like, my eyes, the goggles, they do nothing. This song is peak video game music. Sephiroth. Sephiroth. Oh. What I got here? What have I got here? How many songs do I have in here? Ooh. Oh, hell yeah, some Cold Chamber. I haven't heard that in forever. Big click. Ooh, me loco. Ooh, me loco. I can't believe I had to tell it to only rerun the failing tests. No, let's go through all 300 tests every time. Come on.
Oh, there we go. Samikins, what's up? Ah. It do be do. Do be do. Me loco. Me loco. Man, love this song. Now, where would I get sounds? Like, I bet I could make them pretty easily with what's that one utility for game dev to make like sounds. It's like JSFX or Samikins. You got to know this. You got to know what I'm talking about. It's a sound generation site. So you don't got to know what I'm talking about. I'm just really hopeful that you do. JSFXR. This is what I was trying to figure out. I'm trying to think of what I want is a sound. So if I press space, just some kind of indicator, bloop, that it's listening, like some kind of audio indicator, especially when I get to the point where we're using hands-free, where I can just say, okay, Coda, and it hears me even off screen. I want to hear that bling or something. So this is probably really loud for the rest of you. Hold on. Why you do that? You think Kenny has sound effect? Audio? I think I can find something in here. That's definitely a thing. That just sounds like Kenny was going and altering the speed a little bit. Nothing wrong with that though. Any of these sounding good? I think this is Kenny just on the keyboard going ging, 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 ging. Oh, that was a lot. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know if my body is ready for this. No, Sammykins, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. I'm just glad you're here in whatever capacity. I'm sorry. I'm the one who's sorry because I've got all these annoying noises trying to figure out what I want to do for just an active sound. Like, let it be known that this is working. No, no. My brainy don't like it. I think interface might have been the best one. Something simple like that. I think that would be enough. So that means okay, let's wait for this to go and then we'll figure out what the next thing will be. Just some kind of indicator. Then we'll go through these and figure which might be the better one to use, if anything. Why is that doing that? There, now it should only be me. Excuse me. Okay, what do we got here? Anything showing? No, it's running, but it doesn't give me output. I should request output. I want to see the output. I want to see what is happening. Okay, quick change there. Now what is the problem? Is it doing it again? Okay, got about 12 seconds before timeout. Let's see. There we go. I like that better. Okay, that's not ready for prime time. This seems to be fine. Okay, so we have a thing. What is the problem? It's looking. It seems to be failing. I don't know why. Make it visible to me. Man, the man, how you doing? What's the good word? I'm existing, making the best of what I can. Bum, 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 bum. Ding, ding. Bum, 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 bum. Um, oh, maybe I should make that a BT dubs. BT dubs. BT dubs, y'all. Okay, maybe not. No. Damn it, Claude. Why do I got to tell you how to do your job? Excuse me. Hey, look at that. Zoro, it's going. It's going. It's a fun little distraction. Not you. Might as well face it. You're addicted to Claude. Yep. Just keep on keeping on here because you broke. Orbalish, if you do you have are you in need of some Claude? Hold on. First come, first serve on this. Free week. I don't know. I have no idea. What's up, Stony? Hmm. 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 Okay, this is going to take a little while. Come on. Ooh, where are we? Where are we? Oh, nope. If you like to gamble, I'll tell you, I'm the man. You win some, lose some, it's all the same to me. It's blame. I don't really to say. The ace of spades. The ace of spades. Hey, Nameless. How you doing? Alive? The ace of spades. The ace of spades. And don't forget the Joker. How do we do? How do we do? All test passed. We are the champions. Ah. Which ones are skipped? Okay, fix the skip test. Then we need to open up. Where's the hell my ret roaming? Oh, it's Coda now. Well, that's not great. Okay, that's slightly better. Slightly gooder. You set yours to dark mode. No, you do it. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Yeah, getting chunky with it. Yeah, that's right. Keep it that way. Do it. What the hell's going on here? Yeah, that's how it be. Anybody who's not already following Stony, I mean, can't really recommend going over there, but what else are you gonna do during the day? If you wanna watch somebody and think, you know what, it doesn't look that hard. Well, why is he complaining so much? Then go check out Stony. If you want to feel better about yourself. I'm sorry. There we go. Oh no, I know I suck. Sure, maybe. I mean, you could share it. I can't guarantee that I'm gonna jump over to it, but because I'm this is moving right along. Oh, right on. Yeah. What if I help it out a little bit? Oh, okay. It's doing the thing. Excuse me. Autopilot Ultra Think. Go. It has no idea how to take my statement. Oh, looks like you're getting a little confused here. How about a boost to help you think? All right, I need some help, folks. I need a little bit of help. And there's a shitload of sounds here. I need well, Sammy, you already helped out a little bit, I think. Um, I need to figure out what interface sounds, and I'm narrowing it down to here, to this one. I need to figure out what interface sounds I want to use as a do-do. We're recording. Do-do. Done recording. Answer comes. Do-do. Recording again. Do-do. Not recording. And then if I go hands-free and say, okay, Coda. Do-do. I guess I can just go through them with my mouth. My mouth go. Do-do. Just add some digitization around there, some bit crusher. All right, what the hell is it doing now? Come on, I gave you the boost. Gave you a boost. There, I'm helping you out. I'm I'm just forcing the test. Okay, what's going on here? No, it seems like the problem is I don't know what the problem is. Do I have any arrows here? Anything? Okay. I mean, everything seems good there. Okay. Now I have an actionable issue. Clear. Maybe this is the problem that you need to fix, huh? What you trying to do, Nameless? What you want to do? Okay, fair enough. I should get a better commands command. Because I don't really have much on Firebot anymore. I have some, but not a whole lot. No, there you go. No, you got to get CCs from Captain Coder. That's the only way it happens. Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda. Okay, Coda. Hey, Coda. What problem are you having with CSS, Orblish? Okay, okay, we got ads coming up. I want to try a new game. Where's the thing? Okay, try this. Good luck. I don't know what I think about this one. I'm not sure. No, it's hard. When I looked at it, I thought it was more like, hey, what you do is we type in the numbers or chat types in the numbers and then two flip over instead of just going on its own. But like now with this, there's no pattern. Like, oh, did I happen to see this one somewhere else? Let's just hope that it accidentally tips it over. I'm not seeing like Tall hats. Welcome in. My brain don't move this fast enough. Okay, let's see what else. Let's try some things out here. Well, this is a thing. I think this one. No. Okay. Tap the coordinates. Okay. This one's interesting. Ooh, but it's probably bad with the lag, isn't it? Yeah, no, this is a bad one. Yeah, fuck that. There. We'll put that up for the next one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there's a new problem. Hey, Coda. If app is exited. Here, let's try something. Voice, turn it off. Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda. Answer me. Answer me. One. 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 What else did I try with? Answer me and 1. Does it actually get a transcriber? Well, it should. Why the hell wouldn't it, you jackass? Make it happen. Number 1, I order you to take a number 2. Come on. Oh, I hate it when it does this. Excuse me. So I think we can get this out the door tonight. I don't know why I have a I don't have a deadline on it, but I just want to finish it. This is a fun thing a week. Then we go back to Creo Drop. Da, 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 da. Nameless coder, let's see. Last week, it's been around that. I mean, this weekend was kind of a wash because of doggy issues. I guess we could count it. That's not good enough. Document everything and commit. Oh, I haven't heard this song in so long. Holy shit. I really haven't heard this song forever. My girlfriend's a dick magnet. Okay. Da-da-ba-da-da-ba-da-da. All right. Sammy can no. Oh, okay. Disable background throttling. Cool. Autopilot. There's another issue where yeah, fine. New commit. Well, Velvet Revolver was great. So, that was the super group was with Scott Weiland, right? So, when I first became a paramedic, like one of my first gigs as a paramedic, even before, I mean, I was still working on ambulance up around here, um, around where I live. But so I live near Chicago. I live in Indiana. No secret there, you know. But of course, Indiana is known for three things: meth, corn, and racing. The Indy 500, the Brickyard 400. But my first gig as a paramedic was a golf cart at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. And I went down there, and it's a whole, it's not just the race; it's a whole week long event. Um, I think Brickyard is the second one, and Indy 500 is the first. I don't remember. It doesn't matter. One of them. I don't remember which one it was, but they had Carb Day or some shit. The important thing is that Stone Temple Pilots gave a concert for one of the things. They had a concert in the middle, in the center of the track, and I got to be the backstage medic for that. So I was like backstage with Scott Weiland and the rest of Stone Temple Pilots. It was fucking amazing. Of course, I was working and a paramedic, so like I had to keep distance because get a contact high just being around them. Oh, it was a great show. I got in really good with the head medic, the manager down there. So she put me basically at any concert that I wanted to go to. Like, hey, so I want to see this band, and this band. Okay, I'll station you at those. They're nowhere near each other, but just take your golf cart and go. All right, cool. Yeah, I know of them. Ugh. Oh, tell you what I don't know. I don't know what I don't know. What I don't know, I don't know how to say. I wish I could tell you what I don't know, but the fact that I don't know it is the reason that I don't know it. I know all of them. Not personally. I mean, I've never hung out with them, but you wouldn't be the first today. I could reset my goal back down to 2,400 today. Which reminds me. There we go. um, are the initials J and D? Fuck, it's me, isn't it? Yep, let's not call out anybody. I personally don't have a problem with them, but I could see how some people might. But I'd rather not, badmouth anybody, even if it's just a hey, I don't like this person. Whatever. You can not like them. Just like I don't know how to put it. I'm not trying to be like, oh no, you're wrong to not like them. I just don't want to bring up people's names and like, you know who I hate. I don't want to say anything because because I could be taken out of context. You know what I hate? Insert something here that could be that could ruin my life if taken out of context. Ah. Okay.
Hey, insert rating superhero's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in, Connie. Welcome in, everybody but Stony. How you doing? How you doing? How's your stream, Connie? And now I'm in my own stream. I can see me. And you can see me. I see you seeing me. But Connie, how was the stream? Got anything to share? Hey, Stony, how you doing? Again? I saw your new overlay, at least new to me. It's looking damn good. Looking really, really good. You know, I think back, it's got to be at least 2.5, maybe 3 years now, when we were both like, how do we hook Twitch into fun stuff? And look at everything you accomplished and everything I haven't. Now I'm doing something completely different. Oh, shit. It's almost money time. I probably missed it. Ah, damn it. Okay. All right. We're going to wait for the next one. Okay. So Raiders coming in. Those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer by day. I do Ooh, nice. Damn, that is awesome. So my current project is not wanting to be seen. I am trying to vibe code my own my own virtual assistant. Basically, I'm trying to make my own Jarvis. All right. I haven't decided if I want to go with Piper. I don't know. Hold on. I'm gonna see if I can win some money here real quick. What is catch some Z's? ZZ. I don't know. It's got to be like I don't know. Okay, sorry. I'm playing Best Guess Live. Chance to win $10,000 for nothing, just to answer trivia. A disappearing puzzle, catch some Z's. I don't know. Nope, I don't know. Okay. Oh well, I tried. All right, so the project that I'm working on. Let's see where we are with it. I'm just making some changes. Please, 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 my friend, work for me. Wake up, little buddy. Come on. Welcome back. Thank you, Mars. All right, this was under voice. Let's. Okay, let's see.
Good little buddy.
Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda. Wake up. Connie, thank you again for the raid. Thank you for everything. Appreciate you stopping in. Appreciate you bringing your community over here and trusting me with them, even Stony. Sammy, it's not broke. It just hasn't worked yet. This isn't a feature that worked before. Tell me a little bit about what you can do.
No apps are currently running.
I didn't even move for it. Sorry. Save that. That is not an app list thing. This is the part that's getting frustrating, is the routing to local LLM intent. The intent router is not accurately interpreting. Okay. Yes. Chat, I have a task for you. A requested task. I need a start sound, like a notification that it's listening, and a sound that it's no longer listening. So like a bedu and didu. And I'm looking looking at Kenny assets because why not? They're free. And I'm wondering if anybody has thoughts on any of these sounds that they might think would be a good. If I press a button, doo-doo, means that I can talk, and it stops recording when I hear doo-doo or something like that. Stony, Sammykins already told me that, but yeah, I don't want to because I'm thinking that other people might want to use this, and I don't think they want to hear me going there, 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 there. There. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? What's going on here? Okay, it's doing that. And Stony, I've thought about the Edge TTS like you were saying, but I don't know. That seems like quite the workaround, which isn't bad. It's not bad. But I don't know how well it'll be like if somebody wants to just use their own thing. So there were a couple other ones. I think UI audio was one. But if anybody has thoughts on sounds, now the reason that I'm looking at Kenny stuff is because they're all CC0. They're all free. They're all free to use. Don't need to give attribution. Although I support Kenny, both following on Blue Sky. I supported the makeship Kenny plush. I don't know if that's actually going to be getting made. I paid for the all-in-one pack. It's not a replaceable provider file. But that is in the to do. Or if it's not, it will be. Hold on. There. Sammy, I appreciate it though. I appreciate you even trying. Okay. Okay, PM dev. See what we've got here. Using transcription-based detection phrase, wake up. Okay, let's go voice. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Okay, let's see if I change it. Hey, Coda. Hi, Coda. No. No, Stony. Why you gotta be so mean to me? Wait, what? I copied more than that. Ooh. Hell yeah. Some mud vein. Or stained. No. Mud shovel by stained. Oh, why was I? Ugh. Oh, I love this song. Okay. Control my vein. Gotta make a change here. Now I can turn it up and like really hear it in mine. Man, this bass line too. You control my anger, you control my vein, you control my anger, you me insane. Shovel, mud shovel, mud shovel. Oh yeah. Microphone. Sorry. Anybody on YouTube right now has got to be like, what the fuck is going on over there? I'll tell you what's going on. On Twitch, I have music. Come over to the purple side. Yeah, it's really weird on YouTube because I can't play any music on YouTube unless I play like the unless I play like the complete. Not that anybody watching the VOD, not that I'm playing any music. I'm definitely not playing any copyrighted music. But if I were, I wouldn't be playing it on YouTube because YouTube is very, very strict and they would just stop the stream for me if they didn't like what I was playing. They'd be like, nope, we warned you. Done. Yeah, sure. Orbush, go ahead. Go forward. I don't see any error here. Okay, free UI sounds. No copyright issues. That's the concern though, is it's not just copyright issue. It's what kind of copyright does it have? Nope. Ooh, these aren't bad. What, this one? Yeah, I like this one. I want to know what the uh nope. If I want to release it, I have to pay this one. Which is why I like Kenny. Okay, pause the music so I can get a better ears on it. But first I want to see how we doing. What happened here? Temporal dead zone. Time passes slowly here. That's what it looks like, but I don't know. I don't want to look too far into it. When maybe I could find a free-ish one here, like sci-fi sounds. Okay, let's look at this. We've got sci-fi sounds, and I've actually got this one. If I could find something similar to it from Kenny. All right, let's listen here. Let's listen to these. I'm going to turn it down a little, not all the way. Come on, Kenny, do me proud. That last one. Just okay, nothing great there. What's up, David? How you doing? Let's see. Digital audio. Let's see what it says in here for digital audio. And that's not bad. That's really not bad. Okay, Pep Sound 2 is one. Ooh, Pep Sound 3 is good. There we go. I'm gonna put those really quick. Wait, which one is this? That's not the right one. Hold on. Oh, wait, ads are gonna be coming up here soon. Okay, these two go in there. Ooh, 3 streams. Nice. Nah. Nah. Maybe. No, too much. All right, let's try that game again while the ads are going. It's a matching game. Just watch and see if you remember where things are. It's an alternative to words on stream. And if we don't like it, we don't like it. Nameless Coder, nothing happened. I just wanted to change it up a little bit. Just wanted to try something different. I'll be back. Okay, back. I'm sorry I forgot to turn on music for everybody on Twitch. But hopefully that's a little bit nice change of pace. I like the two that I found. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. I just wanted to try something new, something different. Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda. Can you tell me what you're up to right now?
Sorry, I couldn't get display info.
Okay, well. What is it? The intent. There, once you get into progressive web apps, there is no line. No line whatsoever. It's kind of cool. Oh yeah, yeah. And now you could basically download the site. I worked on a React project a while back. Well, it was Gatsby with decoupled Drupal, and the client wanted it to be a progressive web app. So we just had to add a couple lines of code into the Gatsby, into the React stuff that said, act as progressive web app. And now the customers or the users could open up the page, click the little install button, not have to go through the app store or anything. And they have the app on their phone, which is still just a wrapper for a Chromium browser, basically. Screenshots. Yeah. I don't know if let's copy that and put it in there. Electron can be heavy, but I mean, it's definitely a trade-off, but I think it's a trade-off most people are willing to take because yes, I could write this in C#. It would take me much longer because I don't know C#. I could write this as a native Windows application, completely compile it, require that you have .NET installed on your system or things like that. Or I can write React like what I'm doing now, what I'm doing. I know, let's not get into it. And wrap it in an Electron wrapper and have a full app. It's just easier. Better way forward that'll catch more. Okay. Get me in. Welcome in. I can only count to 4. I can only count to 4. The only reason I'm interested in Tauri is Stargate. I don't know if the two are related, but Javakri. Galnecta. Kelmektak Shorva. I'm going through a rewatch of the entire Stargate series. I'm in season 5, episode 13, I think now. They're just starting to introduce Anubis. Ooh, Anubis, the big bad. Very, very big bad. Okay, Quen 257B or Llama. I will download Quen 257B. There, that's all we gotta do. Sammykins, which Star Trek? And did you do it all in order, like SG1 to Atlantis to Universe? I don't remember. Did we already have this conversation? You know, I watched Universe when it was live, when it was released. I think it was too gritty for me. It was too dark. I mean, if we're talking leads, RDA and Ben Browden playing, Mitchell and O'Neill, they had that comedic energy to them a little bit. And then you get to SG1 or you get to Universe and La Bamba is just completely serious. Ugh. It was a good premise. I just think it was poorly executed. Oh, did you see that Firefly animated series is going to be a thing? It's not a new collection of bobbleheads. Mm-hmm. It's time. It's time. It's time. We doing this? I watched the video of all the Nathan Fillion with the old cast. We doing this? K-Man Crafting, welcome in. Things are going. We're tweaking some things. We're getting some things in. And Nameless Coder, it's time for Firefly. Did I just say that? Oh, jeez. Tweaking some things to get a few things to work. And I think it's a good point where we're tweaking things in like deeper, more complex engines within the application. Like, okay, the intent classifier isn't working. So don't be sorry. I don't expect all your attention on me 100% of the time, just like 98% of the time at least. I thought that Drupal AI had one already, where you could use your own local LLM. Oh, yeah, the whole AI module. It's confusing to me. And that's one of the reasons that I'm pulling it out of the default Creo drop, because I was trying to get it to do things, and the what's it called? The did I have it in here? The preamble. That's what I was trying to think of. The preamble that it sends out with every request. If you don't tweak that preamble, then and you don't have like high level of credits on Claude API or any API, then it's not going to respond because it'll get tied up with too many tokens just from sending the first message to it. And I was doing simple stuff, at least in my opinion, simple stuff. Create a new field for the article content type, call it this, and it should be of this type. Yeah, I'm hoping to attend some sessions next week on Drupal AI and Drupal Canvas, because I'm having trouble. That's why I'm not working on Creo Drop right now. I need to check too. I really need to check. Drupal. When was the latest release? It's been Been a little bit. I don't think Canvas is mature enough for me to wrap an entire SaaS platform. I know it's like very, very last minute, but I if you know anybody, I can get you a free ticket. I mean, if that's the issue, I can't help with travel or anything, but I can get, I know so many camp organizers who have so many tickets to give out because of the way that they're doing it, where if you sign up or if somebody purchases a ticket and then puts that they're affiliated with, say, Mid Camp, Ned Camp, Bad Camp, Florida, whichever, for every 10 people that sign up with that camp, that camp is given a free ticket to give away. And last I knew, Mid Camp had like 20 tickets available. It might be less now, but hold on. As of Tuesday, as of today, oh, that's a wait list for something else. But if it's something that you're interested in, hit me up on Slack and I can look. I can ask around for you. That's who I am on the Drupal Slack. But yeah, did we already have this conversation? Okay, I thought so. Here, if you're on Discord, because I never get on LinkedIn, and I think I have DMs turned off on Twitch. All right, where were we on this? Okay, let's turn that off. I wish I didn't kill that fish. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, we got that. Excuse me. Okay, what was it? What was the command? Olama pull. That's one thing, and okay, because on Linux side, I could do Control R and just look for it. look for my old commands. I don't know if there's something like that in command prompt. Probably something like that in PowerShell. Fair, fair. Okay, let's get that in, and then oh, so I don't really need a very conversational one because this is all part of the intent classifier. So it doesn't need to be anything like really fancy for full conversation. It just needs to be able to say, oh, should I go to this and do something simple, or is this worth going to Claude Code to get a response from? Oh, let's see. Oh, nice. When you say claw, do you mean open claw? You see, stuff like that makes me want to use the Claude API because Claude Code only does so much. I mean, it does a lot, but it only does so much. Does so much. Whereas Claude API is way, way, way more open. Even with Haiku, does quite a bit. Haven't hit a lot of limitations with Claude Code or Claude API or any API or sorry, my brain has been kind of fried. I've had a lot going on the past few days. Oh, okay. I'm still weary, just a little like weary of OpenClaw. Okay, there we go. Oh, nice. Um. Okay. So we're getting some lint errors. Whatever. I've got a couple old Mac Minis from an old job. I didn't just walk out with them. The IT team gave them to me. Like we're just gonna throw them away. Alexa, stop it from taking over the world. Okay. Must come down. Or just maybe. I mean, I've seen people hack the shit out of those. Caveman Crafting, it is, I believe, Thursday or Tuesday through Thursday. Oh, Monday through Thursday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. Yeah. No, I wouldn't be streaming if I didn't want to be distracted. If I wanted complete isolation and like nobody to talk to me, I wouldn't be streaming. But then I'd also probably just be playing No Man's Sky instead. Okay, let's see. Hi, Rad. Hi, Rad. I can give a good stretch. There we go. That's good. And Tricky's here too. Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda. Tricky's never made a emote for me. Can respond to stream audio. Oh, nice. I've thought about like making that. So I used to have a long time ago a Alicia. And she got a little bit weird. It was fun, but there we go. Phonetic normalization. And I actually had a couple complaints from some people. Like I thought that it was a real person that I was talking with, and you you fooled me, and I don't like it. Oh, Mystery Science Theater. 3,000. Actually, Fullbox talked about doing something like that too. Tricky, lots of people can resist it. Lots of people can resist this. Hey, Coda. Can you tell me a little about what you can do?
I'm ready to help with various tasks at home or on the internet. Just tell me what you need assistance with next.
All right, I got to turn down Spotify. Well, actually, hey, Coda. Pause Spotify.
Paused.
Hey, Coda. Pause Spotify. Hey, Coda. Pause Spotify.
Paused.
Okay, so that's incorrect. Um, oh wait, I didn't do the change. There we go. Play Spotify.
Opening Spotify. Sorry, I couldn't find a window matching Spotify.
Wait a minute. Tell me about what you can do.
I'm ready to help with lots of stuff. Appointments, weather, recipe ideas, even play some fun games. Just tell me what you need and I'll give it a try.
Okay, that's another bug. All right, all right, all right. Let's go back to some of these where. Oh. So, Caveman Crafting, what it's supposed to be doing is using PowerShell for Windows media keys. So it's supposed to just run a script that does it. And okay, let's see. I just want it to. So it's summarizing. Oh, I should have copied the. Oh, wait a second. I should have copied the conversation that I already have copied. Local? All right, let's see the messages here. Data. All right. Let's do the thing. Look and feel. There. I hope you're all happy now. No, the problem wasn't the phonetic. Oh, wait. No, that's not what I was working on now. Okay. I better make this a little bit more. Yeah, let's quote it. I just don't see how I could have it make reservations. It'd be great if it could, but I don't see it doing that. Yeah. Well, okay. So at least it gave me a thing. It looks like we're just not sending the system prompt or the preamble to Olama. Which I don't understand why that request, what intent that request got. I guess I could find it here. Simple conversational query, intent, conversational, routing to Claude. Okay, fine. Wait a minute. Okay, that helps out. But the thing here said that it was simple conversational chat router, intent rule pass through conversational routing to Claude. Okay. Yeah, that's possible. I don't want to do it though. At least not yet. Okay, so it's got 5 tier. Kind of like Scolopendro's 9 tier attack. If anybody knows what I'm talking about with Scolopendro's 9 tiered attack. We just became best friends. New achievement. New achievement. Okay, got that. I see other thing that I could do is try an MCP. Set up Spotify MCP. Okay, what are you committing? Okay. Okay, we got that. All these are just OMC. How bizarre. Those are good. Okay, now. What was the other thing that I was wanting to come back at? Nope, that was good. That was good. Okay, let's try it. Oh, I know. I know. Uh-oh. Where's it coming from? Hmm? There we go. There's an issue where if I turn off hands-free, use the mic button manually. Okay, let's see if we can fix that. Oh, I've got a whole collection of those stream shots. Oh, this one's easy. This is Volbeat. It is Volbeat. It's to be true. I only want to be with you. Oh, no, I kept quite a bit. Oh. No matter to be true. Okay, hands free, stale closure bug. Okay, now there was another issue here. Settings for shit. What was I when recording is okay. I should be able to drag and drop a sound file or select from file system. Select from file system with a browser and set the start. All right. Adding new stuff. Okay, implement it. Do it. Multi-layer feature. All right, for the break, do you want words back or do you want the match game back? All right, we can do that. Okay, I'm gonna take off now for a quick break, run upstairs, play with Doggy for a minute, see how he's doing. I'll be back in a few. If this works, there we go. All right, I'm back. And just a reminder, Orbless, you got to wait till the padlock comes off your name. Then you can do another one. Welcome in, NanoDev. How you doing, friend? Oh, what kind of interviews? Nice, nice. Well, best of luck. I've known some backend microservices, but I prefer big backends. I like big backends, and I cannot lie. Okay, got that. Now, I always used to crack up when I'd hear the commercials for UPS. Would you like to be a part-time package handler? Um, no, no. Well, I didn't hear that. Well, that is really quiet. It wasn't that quiet before, was it? Fine, install the update. Call me Betty.
Do it! Just do it! Do it! Just do it!
All right. Oh, this is pretty soft, quiet. Volume. Oh, fine. All right. How's that? Okay, man, you need to check out Stoney's stream sometime. Um, and see all the agents he's got going. All right, let's see. Get that. Can I do you as an Og? I didn't say follow him, but check out the stream sometime. He showed me a really cool like agent visualizer. I don't remember what it's called, but it reminds me of Gather. And let me see. Is this? Oh, thank you. And then here and here. Don't know that. No, I thought he sent me a screen cap of it. Maybe not. Oh, anyway, it's a crazy looking thing. Okay, there is the first one. Now, new. Effect, volume, amplify. Yep. Export audio. Okay, now let's hear. Perfect. No. There we go. Now we have some defaults. Hey, Focus World, what's up? I'm building a personal assistant, AI-based, vibe-coded, that uses way too many things to accomplish way too little at this point. But I'm hoping to get that fixed. And have it do much more. Right now, I'm just trying to get a few tweaks to it and testing out some of the stuff. Right now, it's doing some weird routing where it hears one of my requests and sends it to the wrong place. So if I say like, "Hey, pause the music," it's supposed to realize that pause music is a low-level command where it just needs to follow a predefined script. Well, for right now, until I put in the Spotify MCP, where words go? It uses PowerShell to basically simulate the media key button to pause it. What? You did. You just see Audacity because I want to have wake sounds or request sounds. And so when you say or when you press the key to have it start listening, you hear. And when it stops listening, you hear. And the sounds were very quiet, so I was using Audacity to just increase the volume. How will I know where the sound is coming from? Which part? How will it know where which sound is coming from? All right. Bundles as assets. Okay, we got that. Oh, so it right now it should, and quote unquote should use the whatever app is playing music that will listen to media keys. So for example, right now I just pressed the media key on my keyboard that pauses music. It's supposed to simulate that keystroke. Oh, and you're on YouTube, so you can't hear it. But if you were on Twitch, you'd be able to hear the music just pause when I pressed my pause media key on the keyboard. Bad example. Okay, yeah, that's fair. That's fair where it's putting it. Have the UI slider for but what I want to do, or what I need to do, is start hooking up MCPs and make sure that those work. Because that'll make things a lot easier. If I can hook up an MCP, and just say like, play the next song, it will look at it and be like, oh, Spotify's running. Okay, we'll just do it that way. Perfect. Don't take fame. Don't need a credit card to ride this train. It's cool sometimes. It might just save your life. It's the power of love. I will guess every song. Haha, this is a song. Get status. Let's see where we are. Anything that needs to be added in. They say that only love is seven. Nice. Look, we got that. Cool. Cool. Do that. Turn that off. Okay, that didn't work. Wait, it's not still listening, is it? It shouldn't be. Um, You got that cool. Nice look we. What? What the hell was I saying? Remember. Preview playback? What? Oh, okay. I don't remember seeing that setting though. Did y'all see that setting? I didn't see that setting. Okay. Okay, let's see here. What can you do?
Sure thing. I can help launch apps, control media, manage Windows, and more. Just let me know what you need.
Okay, close. Hey, Coda. Next song.
Skipping to next track.
Next song.
Skipping to next track.
Okay. Oh, hold on. Media control action. So it's doing the stuff, but it's oh, you're thinking of the cover. Okay. No, it's not a permission issue. It's just not doing the simulation because I should see the PowerShell simulation here in terminal. Okay, clear. All right. I don't know if it's that or if it's just the intent classifies correctly. So it's doing that. But success false because it's not actually doing the thing that it's supposed to be doing. Well, let me see. Oh, shit. What is today? It might be a permission issue. That's today, right? Okay. Okay, good. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Finish it up so that I can do this. Then, so I can finish up. And who are we going to go to? Ooh, she's still going? She going to be going for a while? I know where we're going. Well, I need to go to bed because I got to work and I got to spend some time with the doggy. Once the... Okay, got that. Dum bum ba dum bum 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 ba dum bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's getting late for me. I've been going longer here lately. This is going to be my last stream until, unless I get really bored on Saturday for some reason. I don't think I will though. I've got some stuff I need to be doing, but this is probably my last stream until I get back from DrupalCon. So look for me, reach out to me any way that you want to. We're going to go. Make sure I'm spelling it right. Heading over to Little Bitty. Good people. Actually, she's pretty awesome. So let's head over there. Be kind. Oh. Yeah, so thanks everybody for hanging out. I appreciate you. I might be back. I might not. I don't know. Maybe I'll get hair up my ass and decide that I want to do a like IRL stream or something. I don't know. Who knows? If I do, it's going to be short, sweet. Okay. Take care, everybody, and we're going to head over there. No raid call, just because... Or actually, do I have one? Yeah? Yeah, if you want. You don't have to. I don't care. All right.